Mauricio coming with you guys live, and today's topic is going to be break of a downtrend structure on the H1 time frame. Now on the H1 time frame, you'll be able to see and locate a lot more break of structures due to the fact that there is going to be a lot of movement, there is going to be a lot of volume, more volume on the H1 time frame than on the H4 time frame, okay? So it's not going to be as stable on the H4 time frame. Now, the H1 time frame, you'll be able to catch those retracements with break of structures as well. So you want to be able to identify the break of structure on the H1 time frame as well, so that way you can actually take advantage of every single structure area, okay? So this is a uptrend, okay? On the H4 time frame, we are in an uptrend, but we can actually see that we have some type of downtrend structure in this area, okay? We have some downtrend structure. Now this right here on the H4 time frame, it will be a retracement, but we can take advantage of that retracement with downtrend structure on the H1 time frames. Okay, so therefore we'll be able to actually sell off of it due to the fact that we have structure involved on the H1 time frames. Okay, so right here, what we can actually see is that we can actually see and identify that the market is creating downtrend structure. We are creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Okay, now our main focus is a break of downtrend structure. Okay, we want to know where is the break of the downtrend structure, so therefore we will no longer sell into. Okay, so we do want to label our structure lower lows and lower highs. So all of these are my lower highs, and then this right here are my lower lows. Okay, now I will be able to identify the break of structure once I see a break of the previous structure. Now the break of previous structure is when I see a break of my higher low. Sorry, my lower high. Okay, I want to see a break of my previous lower high, so that way I can identify this break of structure. So in this area we had my lower high in this area right here, and we can clearly see that the market had gone over this lower low. Okay, it has gone over this lower high. So due to the fact that I went over the lower high, it has broken structure, and this here is our main focus. We want to know how to identify this break of structure, and we can clearly see that it broke structure due to the fact that this area right here was maintained by a lower high from our previous structure. Okay, so this here is how you identify a break of structure on the H1 time frame. You do want to identify these on low time frames and high time frames as well, so that way you can take advantage of every single move the market gives you. Okay, as long as you are able to identify structure, you will be able to identify sells and buys in every situation. So in this area right here, since we did break our structure, we are no longer selling, but we are now buying when we see a retracement onto the 50-point Fibonacci level, which is something that we go on to on the next videos. So therefore you guys know how to do a break of downtrend structure with a continuation of uptrend structure, and that I will explain on the next video. So therefore I will see you on the next video.